hope they look. Well, a lot of people work, but there's some people who don't, so, or are off today, like Alexa. Okay, I'm just weaving in, going back up, cutting the tails.
Look, I like her hair and her.
Oh, so pretty. Okay. This one, I can cut a little bit. Yes. Our day is great, Fern, but we are in suspense here. We want to know
You know what?
if your dog is a girl or a boy, female or male. Thank you, Amori. And Allegra. Your colors are cute, Amori says. How's your summer going, Amori? Are you being lazy? Woo-hoo, because that was my favorite thing to do the whole summer. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna cut them and trust the process. Ah! Okay, this one's a little long. Okay, so I want to make, actually, I didn't really want to sell it right now because I need to make a liner for this because I don't like that the holes are so freaking big. Her pug is a boy, or their pug is a boy. 13 years old. He's going through tough times. Oh.
Aww. I wish you the best.
Yeah.
If he's a wheelie pug, I hope you are prepared. I heard it's very tough, so best of luck.
You've been going to summer camp? Oh, nice. Now, is it one that you come home from, or do you get to stay the night? I always like the ones where you stay the night and you were camping in a cabin with all these girls and stuff. It was fun. I can see your comments, Pet World. Did I miss something? Oh, you come home. Okay. That's still fun to be in your nice bed and then go.
Like a VBS type thing.
Well, I don't know about. Allegra asked if it's like a VBS because down here we have like Vacation Bible School where they would go to the church every day and they would have events and, you know, crafts and stuff, and then they would come home and I would take them the next day again. One summer, they thought I was getting rid of them. How many?
She put us in 6 VBSs and they were weeks back to back to back to back. So we were like in VBS from June to the end of July.
They were out of my house during the
And
day.
we were gone the whole day, like until 4 p.m., 5
Yeah.
p.m.
Well, that's, you know, and it's fun and you remember it.
Yeah, I
So
was tired, but I ate so many Bible-based snacks.
Bible-based snacks with like what? Like crackers?
Yeah, we did have animal crackers when we were doing the Noah's Ark one when I was really little.
That's so funny.
Yeah.
So funny. I said something, but don't worry about it. Oh, I'm gonna go back and look. Okay, look, somebody. Let's see. And then, yes, I can see. Cinema Cut is from the Philippines. Well,
Hello.
guess what?
¿Cómo estás? Soy Allegra.
I am not Filipino, but this one is. She's half Filipino.
I can only say that. I can only say, ¿Cómo estás? Soy Allegra Isa de la Wata.
What?
1, 2, 3.
Otot.
No! Okay, if we're going to talk about that, I know Kilikili since my dad was based
Clean your killikills.
The place where I work, I have a lot of Filipino clients, and I love talking to them, and one of them tells me to call her my ate, which feels a little weird because I'm always servicing her things that she comes to.
Sounds fun, Amori.
She brings me food, though.
I watched Young Sheldon 2 times and they're Texan. Yes, and let me tell you.
I love Big Bang
Is it
Theory.
Allegra? Is Sheldon a good representative of Texans, or it's over the top? It's over the top.
It's over the top for our family, but I'm not gonna lie, there are probably a lot of people who is their mom, very Texan. The grandma, very Texan.
Yes.
But people think that we're all just yeehaw cowboys, where's your horse? I need to go to your school by your ranch. But the thing is, we live in a property. Showing me outside. Look,
We
it's
live.
normal. This is normal.
We live by the mall. We live by the mall.
It's a big mall too.